this performance is about the fear of not being able to change the world. This performance is about not accepting that moralism is a kind of a negative term in theater, and that nobody really believes anymore that things can get better. It's a bit like old-time theater groups, that used to travel from city to city with a story, and that story had to be socially clear and had to have some sort of a meaning for people beyond the entertainment. And we get to do that too, and that's very nice. So we are going to try, and what happens next, we don't know.